Well, joining me now on WION Newsroom, Ada Juneja will break down the big business stories shaping your money and the economy. Nikita Singh will give us all the updates from the world of technology. And Atira Sasidaran will take us through all the action from the world of sports. All right, we begin by going over to Adya for the market updates. Over to you, Adya.
Well, thank you, Jyotsna. Global markets are ending the week on a cautious note as investors grapple with a combination of slowing AI-driven momentum, rising oil prices and uncertainty stemming from tensions in West Asia. Let's take a look at the key market moving developments. First up, Asian markets came under pressure on Friday, led by a sharp decline in South Korea, where the Kospi tumbled more than 5% as investors dumped technology stocks. Heavyweight Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix posted steep losses after a sell-off in US AI-linked chip stocks spread across global markets. The weakness followed disappointing results from Broadcom, which triggered profit booking across the semiconductor sector. Japan, Hong Kong and Australia also traded lower, while Indian markets bucked the trend with modest gains. Growing concerns over the tensions in West Asia further weighed on investor sentiment, adding to the cautious mood across regional markets. Moving on, while equity markets faced volatility, central banks were forced to navigate a different challenge, balancing growth risks with rising inflationary pressures. The Reserve Bank of India kept interest rates unchanged on Friday, while announcing measures to attract dollar inflows and support the weakening rupee. Now, the central bank has signaled caution as rising oil prices, inflation risks and global uncertainty continue to weigh on the economic outlook. While policymakers chose not to raise rates for now, economists say the RBI has adopted a hawkish stance, with many expecting rate hikes later this year if inflation remains elevated. The move aims to balance growth concerns with the need to stabilize the currency and contain price pressures. And finally, alongside with its policy decision, the RBI has also unveiled targeted measures aimed at strengthening the rupee, which has been under pressure from higher oil prices and foreign capital outflows. The Indian rupee strengthened sharply on Friday after the Reserve Bank of India announced a series of measures aimed at attracting foreign currency inflows and easing pressure on the currency. The RBI kept interest rates unchanged, but also introduced special forex swap facilities, incentives for non-resident deposits and steps to boost investment in India's debt market. Now, the government has also announced tax relief for foreign investors in government bonds. Now, the measure helped lift the rupee after months of weakness driven by high oil prices, foreign fund outflows and uncertainty, which is linked to tensions in West Asia. And that is it from business. Now, for other tech updates, it's over to you, Nikita.
Well, thanks so much, Adya. First up, Bulgaria has opened the 17th edition of the Hemus Defense Exhibition in Plovdiv, bringing together global defense companies, government officials and military technology developers. The event features the latest advances in drones, counter-drone systems, cybersecurity, communications and command and control technologies. Now, organizers said the exhibition is designed to create new business partnerships and international cooperation. This year's event has seen a sharp rise in participation, with nearly 200 exhibitors and 17 foreign delegations attending the show. Next up, US telecom giant T-Mobile has opened a new global capability center in Hyderabad, with plans to hire nearly 1,000 employees by 2027. The company has leased around 250,000 square feet of office space as it expands its technology and engineering operations in India. The new center will focus on software engineering, product development, data analytics and cybersecurity. T-Mobile said Hyderabad offers a strong talent pool along with a well-established technology and innovation ecosystem. And lastly, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has unveiled a new national AI strategy, warning that reliance on foreign AI platforms could pose risks to Canada's data, privacy and economic security. Carney said much of the data used in AI currently flows across borders, leaving Canada vulnerable to foreign influence and control. The government plans to introduce new legislation to strengthen data protection and better safeguard privacy, including the online safety of children. Carney also announced plans to build a public AI supercomputer and expand AI education and training through schools and community programs.